How to see upcoming birthdays on Snapchat. Well, hi everyone and welcome back to our channel. Today in this video we will be learning how to see upcoming birthdays of your friends on Snapchat. So please make sure to watch this video till the end. The very first step is to move into your application Snapchat. You'll be landing on this page. Click on the search icon at the bottom. Different filters will be visible to you. Now in the search bar, search for birthday. Many filters of birthday will be shown to you. Head over to the second one, birthday countdown. So here right now you'll get to see your birthday countdown. In order to see the upcoming birthday of any of your friends, then you need to click on this icon. Here you'll get to see the name of all of your friends on Snapchat and their upcoming birthday. So this is it, and this was the quick tutorial video on how to see upcoming birthday on Snapchat. I hope you found this video useful. Thank you for watching it till the end.